Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Yelp Ads and manage local lead tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Yelp Ads, start by logging into your Yelp for Business account. Navigate to the advertising section in the main menu. Look for the current ad campaign you wish to cancel. Click on the campaign to access its details. Find the option to pause or cancel the campaign. Select Cancel to stop the ad from running. Confirm your decision when prompted. Now, you will want to manage your local lead tracking. Return to the main menu and click on Leads. Here, you can view all your local leads received through Yelp. Analyze the data to understand lead sources and trends. Use filters to refine your lead information by date or status. Take note of any follow-up actions needed for your leads. To improve lead management, consider integrating CRM tools if available. Review your Yelp reviews regularly to engage with customers. Respond promptly to inquiries to enhance your online reputation. Consistently localize your ads to target your specific audience. Monitor your reporting metrics to track the effectiveness of your ads. Adjust your strategy based on the leads and reviews you receive. This ensures you maximize the impact of your local advertising efforts. Stay updated with Yelp's policy changes or new features to enhance your experience. Continue to refine your approach as you gather more data from your campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.